Ask anyone what the most luxurious midsize pickup truck on the market is, and 9 out of 10 will answer GMC Canyon. This badge-engineered cousin of Chevy's Colorado is the epitome of luxury you can get in the midsize segment, packing in head-turning good looks with the best technological features on the market. The 2024 Canyon already offers a near-perfect experience, but the 2025 model is shaping up to be even better. So keep watching to find out the 5 reasons you should wait for the all-new GMC Canyon. Oh, and before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting videos just like this 3 times a week. Number 5. Efficient and more powerful engines. Let's kick things off with perhaps the most impressive upgrade the GMC Canyon is getting for 2025, a new hybrid engine. While competitors like Toyota and Ford have already introduced plug-in hybrid versions of their midsize pickup trucks, GMC is finally entering the game with a bang in 2025. The Canyon's hybrid system pairs a substantial lithium-ion battery and a powerful electric motor with the already impressive 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. This combination not only boosts the Canyon's performance, but also significantly improves fuel efficiency. The hybrid setup will hand the Canyon an estimated electric-only range of nearly 30 miles, making it ideal for daily commutes and short trips around the city. For longer journeys, the hybrid system seamlessly assists the gasoline engine, leading to a significant reduction in fuel consumption. While the hybrid model might carry a higher price tag than its gasoline counterpart, its long-term fuel savings will pay off in the long run. But wait, there's more! If plug-in hybrids aren't your cup of tea, GMC has also refined its gasoline-powered option, the familiar 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. Once again, this powertrain will be shared with the Chevy Colorado, making a return for 2025 in its high-output configuration. Already delivering an impressive 310 horsepower and 430 foot-pound of torque in the current model, GMC engineers have managed to extract even more power from this engine for the upcoming model year. Prepare to be amazed as the 2025 Canyon boasts an estimated output of over 325 horsepower and a whopping 460 foot-pound of torque. This substantial power increase will position the Canyon as a formidable contender in the performance truck segment. Number 4. Platform updates. Just like in 2024, the 2025 GMC Canyon is based on a solid foundation. It will continue to utilize General Motors' proven 31XX2 platform, a backbone that has earned its stripes for the past few years for both on-road comfort and off-road prowess. However, don't let the platform's familiarity fool you, as GMC has been hard at work refining and enhancing this platform for the 2025 model. A key focus has been on weight reduction, with the use of advanced materials and technologies for shedding excess pounds without compromising on the truck's structural integrity. Furthermore, the 2025 Canyon also boasts a significantly stiffened chassis compared to its predecessor. Engineers have meticulously reinforced critical points throughout the body, resulting in a 25% increase in torsional rigidity, if initial reports are to go by. This directly translates to improved handling, a smoother ride, and enhanced capability when tackling rough terrain. To put things in short, the Canyon's already impressive off-road pedigree is set to reach new heights in 2025. Perhaps the most exciting platform-related update for the 2025 Canyon is the introduction of the all-new extended cab configuration. This long-awaited variant provides ample passenger space and a generous 6-foot bed, and this new extended cab not only expands the Canyon's versatility, but also significantly boosts its towing and hauling capacities. With its refined platform, the 2025 GMC Canyon promises to elevate the benchmark for midsize trucks to a whole new level for the upcoming model year. The combination of weight reduction, increased chassis stiffness, and the new extended cab option positions the Canyon as a formidable force in terms of practicality, capability, and overall driving experience. It's clear that in 2025, GMC is committed to delivering a truck that not only surpasses its predecessor, but also outshines the competition on almost every level. Number 3. Updates to the interior. Step into the 2025 GMC Canyon and you're instantly transported into a world of luxury. It's like GMC took the already stellar interior from the past few years and decided to dial it up to 11. Dominating the dashboard will be a massive digital instrument cluster that's as clear as day, giving you all the essential driving info at a glance. But the real star of the show is that massive central touchscreen. It's snappy, intuitive, and packed to the gills with features. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, of course, but it's the little extras that really impress. Need to stay connected on the go? The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot has you covered. And if you're the type who is always searching for a charging cable, relax. There's a wireless charging pad ready to juice up your phone. GMC hasn't forgotten about entertainment either. The available Bose audio system is a concert hall on wheels, transforming your commute into a front-row experience. Whether you're blasting your favorite tunes or listening to an audiobook, you'll be immersed in sound quality that rivals audio setups you get on luxury vehicles twice the price. But the 2025 Canyon isn't just about pampering you, as it's also about making your life easier. If hauling is your game, the hitch guidance system and hitch view camera make hooking up a trailer as simple as child's play. And as always, safety always comes first. Standard features like lane keep assist and automatic emergency braking keep you out of trouble, while the optional Canyon Safety Plus package adds even more layers of protection with features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. Number 2. Improved towing performance. The GMC Canyon has always been a towing champ, and the 2025 model is set to continue that legacy. The gasoline-powered Canyon maintains its impressive towing capacity of 7,700 pounds, putting it right in line with competitors like the Chevy Colorado and Jeep Gladiator. But the real towing hero of the 2025 lineup is expected to be the upcoming plug-in hybrid, which for GMC is promising a segment-shattering towing capacity of 7,900 pounds. That's a number usually reserved for full-size trucks, and it's absolutely mind-boggling for a mid-size pickup to have such capability. While the Canyon excels in towing, its payload capacity is a bit more modest at 1,600 pounds. While this is still respectable for a mid-size truck, it might not match up to some rivals that offer slightly higher payload ratings. However, the Canyon more than compensates for this shortcoming with its robust build and capable suspension, ensuring it can handle heavy loads with ease. When comparing the Canyon's towing prowess to other popular mid-size trucks, it's clear that GMC is aiming for the top spot in 2025. The Ford Ranger, for example, maxes out at around 7,500 pounds, while the Toyota Tacoma typically falls short of 7,000 pounds. The Jeep Gladiator, while world-renowned for its off-road abilities, also sits at around the 7,700-pound mark for towing, sharing the throne with the Canyon. It's important to note that the towing capacity can vary based on specific trim levels and optional equipment you go for. Features like heavy-duty trailering packages, enhanced cooling systems, and upgraded suspension components can significantly impact the Canyon's towing capabilities. So while the base towing numbers are impressive, you should carefully consider your specific needs and choose the appropriate options for their intended use. Number 1. Better off-road performance. The 2025 GMC Canyon isn't just aiming to compete in the mid-size off-road arena, it's setting out to redefine it. While the Toyota Tacoma has long been the benchmark for off-road capability in the mid-size truck segment, the 2025 Canyon is set to challenge that dominance with a compelling blend of ruggedness and refinement. At the pinnacle of the Canyon's off-road offering stands the AT4X AEV edition. This collaboration with American Expedition Vehicles, or AEV, has resulted in a truck that's not just capable, but extraordinary. With a substantial 12.2-inch lift, the Canyon AT4X AEV commands respect on any terrain, be it mud, sand, or snow. This increased ground clearance, combined with aggressive 35-inch tires, provides unparalleled approach, departure, and breakover angles, allowing the Canyon to conquer obstacles that would send lesser trucks crying to their mothers. Underbody protection is crucial for off-road adventures, and the AT4X AEV doesn't disappoint in this regard. Robust skid plates shield the underbody from harm, ensuring that the rocks and other trail hazards won't lead to costly damages. The attention to detail extends beyond the obvious, with features like heavy-duty front and rear bumpers that not only protect the truck, but also enhances its off-road approach and departure angles. But the Canyon's off-road prowess isn't limited to the extreme capabilities of the AT4X AEV. Even the standard AT4 trim offers a substantial upgrade in off-road capability compared to its predecessor. A factory lift, advanced electronic locking differentials, and off-road tuned suspension components provide the foundation for serious off-road adventures. While it might not match the extreme capabilities of the AEV edition, the AT4 is still more than capable of tackling challenging trails and providing a comfortable and confident ride on rough terrain. GMC's also equipped the Canyon with a suite of advanced technologies designed to enhance off-road performance. Hill descent control, selectable drive modes, and advanced traction control systems work seamlessly to provide drivers with the tools they need to conquer challenging terrain. These features, combined with the Canyon's robust hardware, create a package that's ready to tackle anything from mild trails to demanding rock crawling. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking for a capable overlander or a hardcore off-road enthusiast seeking a truck that can handle the toughest trails, the 2025 GMC Canyon offers a compelling option. So, will you be picking up an all-new GMC Canyon when it launches later this year? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.